The science of gratitude and its impact on well-being. Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, ready to tackle the day with a sense of purpose and joy. What if the secret to this fulfilling life lies in a simple yet powerful practice that many of us overlook every day? Today, we dive into the fascinating world of gratitude and explore how embracing thankfulness can unlock a myriad of benefits for our well-being. We will uncover the science behind gratitude, shedding light on its profound impact on our mental, emotional, and physical health. Join us on this journey of discovery as we reveal how gratitude can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Start with a captivating story or anecdote that highlights the positive impact of gratitude on someone's life. For example, you could share a personal experience where you noticed a significant improvement in your well-being after incorporating a gratitude practice into your routine. Or you could highlight the story of an individual whose life was transformed through the power of thankfulness. Define gratitude, what it is, how it differs from happiness, and its importance in everyday life. Explain that gratitude is the quality of being thankful and appreciating the positive aspects of one's life. It is a deliberate choice to focus on the blessings and opportunities we have, rather than dwelling on what we lack. Unlike happiness, which is a fleeting emotion, gratitude is a more enduring state of mind that can be cultivated through consistent practice. Emphasize that gratitude is essential to everyday life, because it helps shift our perspective away from negativity and towards positivity, allowing us to appreciate the richness of our experiences and relationships. Introducing the idea of the gratitude muscle and how cultivating gratitude can be learned and strengthened over time. Explain that just like physical muscles, our capacity for gratitude can be developed through practice and persistence. By consciously choosing to focus on and appreciate the positive aspects of our lives, we strengthen our gratitude muscle. Over time, this practice becomes easier and more automatic, allowing us to experience the benefits of gratitude more frequently and effortlessly. Share recent research findings on the neurological effects of gratitude. Discuss studies that have investigated the neural correlates of gratitude, such as the activation of brain regions associated with pleasure, social connection, and reward. For example, neuroimaging studies have shown that expressing gratitude activates the prefrontal cortex and the anterior insula, which are involved in processing positive emotions and social cognition. Explain how these regions of the brain play a crucial role in our experience of gratitude, and highlight the significance of understanding the neurological basis of gratitude for fostering well-being. Explain how gratitude can help reduce stress hormones like cortisol and increase levels of dopamine, the feel-good hormone. Research has shown that engaging in gratitude exercises can lead to a reduction in cortisol levels, a key stress hormone. Additionally, studies have found that expressing gratitude can elevate levels of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. Discuss how the interplay of these hormones influences our mood, motivation, and overall well-being. Connect the science to practical benefits like improved sleep, increased resilience, and a more positive outlook on life. Explain how the reduced stress and increased positive emotions associated with gratitude can contribute to better sleep, greater resilience in the face of adversity, and an overall more positive and optimistic outlook on life. Share evidence from studies that have examined the relationship between gratitude and these beneficial outcomes, emphasizing the tangible benefits of gratitude beyond simply feeling thankful. Provide actionable steps for cultivating a gratitude practice. Suggest specific techniques such as keeping a gratitude journal, creating gratitude lists, writing thank you notes, or engaging in mindful moments of reflection throughout the day. Discuss the benefits of each approach and encourage viewers to experiment to find what works best for them. Introduce the concept of gratitude meditation and its effectiveness in promoting well-being. Explain that gratitude meditation involves focusing on feelings of gratitude and appreciation to cultivate positive emotions and reduce negative ones. Guide viewers through a simple gratitude meditation, helping them experience the immediate benefits of this practice. Share insights from studies that have investigated the effectiveness of mindfulness and gratitude meditations in enhancing well-being and reducing symptoms of depression and anxiety. Emphasize the importance of consistency and making gratitude a daily habit for long-term benefits. Explain that like any beneficial habit, consistency is key to experiencing the cumulative benefits of gratitude. Encourage viewers to start small, setting realistic goals such as practicing gratitude for 5 minutes each day, and gradually increasing the duration or frequency as they become more comfortable with the practice. This part of the video explains how gratitude can foster stronger relationships by strengthening social bonds, promoting empathy, and increasing feelings of connection. Research has shown that expressing gratitude towards others can enhance relationship quality and increase feelings of social connectedness. Discuss the role of gratitude in fostering empathy, understanding, and forgiveness within relationships. Share examples of how expressing gratitude can improve communication and resolve conflicts in personal and professional relationships. When sharing stories, use specific examples to illustrate the impact of gratitude on relationships. Share real-life stories or examples of individuals who have experienced the benefits of gratitude in their personal relationships. These stories can highlight how expressing gratitude can improve communication, resolve conflicts, and build trust among family members, friends, and romantic partners. Discuss the positive impact of gratitude on romantic relationships. Explain that gratitude can foster deeper feelings of love, satisfaction, and commitment in romantic relationships. Share findings from studies that have examined the relationship between gratitude and relationship quality in couples. Offer practical tips for expressing gratitude within romantic partnerships, such as expressing appreciation for your partner's qualities, acts of service, and emotional support. Explore the role of gratitude in family dynamics. Discuss how expressing gratitude within families can create a more positive and supportive environment. Share examples of how gratitude can help manage conflicts, strengthen bonds, and create shared memories within families. Encourage viewers to express gratitude towards their family members, acknowledging their contributions, sacrifices, and the unique qualities that make each family member valuable. Address the significance of gratitude in workplace interactions. Explain that gratitude can contribute to a more positive and productive work environment. Discuss how expressing appreciation towards colleagues, supervisors, and employees can boost morale, increase job satisfaction, and foster teamwork. Share strategies for incorporating gratitude in the workplace, such as offering words of affirmation, recognizing achievements, and celebrating successes together as a team. Reiterate the powerful link between gratitude and well-being, highlighting the cumulative benefits of a consistent gratitude practice. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, emphasizing the profound impact of gratitude on various aspects of well-being, from mental and emotional health to relationships and overall life satisfaction. Encourage viewers to embrace a mindset of gratitude, actively seeking out and appreciating the blessings in their lives. End with a call to action. Challenge viewers to take a small step towards cultivating gratitude in their lives. This could involve starting a gratitude journal, writing a thank you note, or simply taking a few moments each day to reflect on and appreciate the positive aspects of their lives. Encourage them to share their experiences and any positive changes they notice in the comments section, fostering a sense of community and support. Remind them that while small steps may seem insignificant, they can lead to profound transformations when done consistently. Throughout the video, encourage viewers to share their own experiences with gratitude and its impact on their lives. Create a sense of community by responding to comments and sharing additional resources and insights. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from the message of gratitude. Subscribe to stay updated on future content. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovering the transformative power of gratitude and its profound impact on our well-being. Till next time, may your days be filled with thankfulness, and may you continue to unlock the secrets to a more fulfilling and joyful life.